Alrighty, thanks again for the fill, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, thank you. We're doing 6 boxes of first off the line English Premier League Prizm. This is break number 12. Wow, it's kind of cool. It's got all those 12s everywhere, but this is first off the line number 12. I am Soccer Breakers FC. If you're interested in joining my breaks, join our Facebook group, Soccer Breakers FC. All breaks are live on YouTube. Simply search Soccer Breakers FC. Make sure you click that little subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so yet. Also, if you give us a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it on the video. Check us out on our website, www.soccerbrekersfc.com. What else? Instagram, Soccer Breakers. Follow us. All right, here we go with the teams. Catherine, you got Burnley. Good luck. Daniel, Norton, Man City. DK, Derek, Leicester. Jasper, Brighton. Justin, Bournemouth. Adrian, you got Arsenal and Watford. Tommy, Everton. Mario, Southampton. Paul, Norwich. Sean, Aston Villa. Supa, Tottenham. Tom Fitzhugh, Liverpool, West Ham, and the Wolves. Zach, Chelsea. Ethan, you got Manchester United. Mike, you got Newcastle. Jason, you got Sheffield. And yours truly, I have Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace 39. They're on sale for $5 off 34. If anybody wants them, this is your last chance. I took them already, but if anybody is left out and feels like the sudden urge to get into this break, you got about 2 more minutes. Doing good, Brandon. How are you doing? 209 it again. $209 a third time. Wow, I had a lot of 1-0 boxes in the last 6 boxes. This time, not so much. What, you want Crystal Palace, Brandon, or what? Ooh, the quad. I have no idea. Yeah, right, and yeah, right's the best one. It's right, and then they have Benteke, and they have Ledley, I think. Right, Benteke, Ledley, I think are their autos. Yeah, if you can send gift, I can do 30. That's the best I can do on Palace. Otherwise, it's your birthday discount. Yeah, well, I think Ian Wright's got to be better than Townsend, right? Yeah, good number of autos for a cheap team. Alright, good night, Brendan. Oh, 1,000 minutes on it. Those last 6 boxes are insane. 7 mags in the last 6 boxes. It's unbelievable. Just a little bit. Alrighty. No, but 11 broke, Justin, and you definitely want to look at that one. 11 just broke, and oh, Justin, by the way, I tagged you. I just posted a 5-case, new 5-caser if you're interested. I don't know if you're in. Sorry, I posted it not at a good time for England, but to 149, Riyad Mahrez. Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, 10 was posted. It should be up there from a few days ago, unless I forgot to post the video. I'll check it after this. Make sure I posted it. But yeah, 10 broke, I don't know, probably 3 days ago, I would guess. Oxlade Chamberlain to 99. To 199, Barnes. Oh, so then I guess I screwed up and forgot to post 10. We did break it, right? I mean, I didn't forget to break 10, did I? I'm sure we broke it. Yeah. Barnes again. Oh, we just did him to 199. 38 of 199. 34. To 99, Patricio. To 149, Origi. That's what it was. It was between the 5-casers. I remember. I think it was last night. Yeah, I'll post it right now. It won't have a number, but oh no, we did no, yesterday we did Immaculate. We didn't do. All right. I'm thinking it's this one. We'll find out in a few minutes if that's correct. All right, I just posted one. I'm not sure if it's correct or not, but Let's check. All right, we got red. Oh, look at that. Gets here right in time. Bournemouth. Here you go, Justin. How about Ryan Frazier? How about Liverpool? Ryan Brewster for Liverpool. Liverpool is Tom. Pulling a lot of 1-on-1 scores club. I think I pulled the 1-1 of that one too. And I pulled the 1-of-1 for Bournemouth. Yeah. El Ghazi to 99. Red, Almiron, Miguel Almiron. 33 of 149. Red. Ducouré to 199. How about Norwich? Carroll Road. That's a 25. Den Donker. Wolves, 9 of 25. Den Donker. There's an autograph. To 199. Chowdhury. 199. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. Blue. How about Everton? Everton is Tommy Lowe again. Tommy Lowe. Gylfi Sigurdsson. Nice. Gylfi. 2 of 8. Autograph. Autograph goes to Team Tottenham. How about Eric Dyer? Graylish to 149. I doubt it, Nick, but I can ask. I don't. Patrick Van Aanholt. Haven't heard of any retail out here, and Blowout or David Adams usually would carry him. West Ham. To 149, Dalot. So blasters are different than breakaways then, is what you're saying. How many darn formats did they make for this one? They want this, they want that. So they have like 4 different versions. You got the first off the line, the hobby, the breakaway, and the blaster now. Oh, that's crazy. Panini screwing with us. Alright, well, I'll see what I can do. Look at that Chelsea logo right there. You guys see the Chelsea logo off my shirt? Right there, right by my heart. Chelsea on my heart right there. Look at that. To 199, Lalana. Chris Smalling, 11 of 25, Manchester United. Wow, it's even more than 4 or 5 then, huh? Oh, that's crazy. It's a crazy, I say. All right, let's go here first because I kind of saw this one. How about Kyle Walker? All right, see who we got here. Nice, Tottenham. Who's got Tottenham in this one? Super. All right, come on, Harry Kane or Minwoo Sun. Sun or Kane? Well, how about Vertonghen? Vertonghen. Alright, we got 3 more boxes to go, guys. These first 3 were pretty weak. The last 6 were insane, but these 3 not so sick. Treble was decent. Treble was pretty good. Alright, that one. Alrighty, guys, last 3 boxes. Good luck. Come on, let's do all 4 10s this time. Let's do all 10 boxes. Let's do it. 10 boxes coming up. Oh, 9 again. Wow, 09 again. Oh, 1-0 finally. 1-0 box there. Finish it off with a 1-0 box. Alright, here we go. What are they selling it for? Oh, it's 8-box case, right? Okay. About 100 a box. NASCAR value box. Three-card camel pack. No idea what that is. Yeah, same as last year. Last year was 8 as well. Alrighty. Alright, here we go, guys. Here we go. The last 3 boxes of this case. Or this 6-box break, I should say. Alright, good luck. To 149, Mark Albrighton for Leicester. 97 of 149. Mark Albrighton. To 149, Masuaku. Next one. Solomon March to 99, Brighton. Oh, wow, kind of showed it. Too late. Connor Wickham, rigged, Crystal Palace. Rigged. Is he any good? Connor Wickham. 6 of 8, Connor Wickham. Barnes, Ashley Barnes to 149. To 199, Anthony Knockert for 107 of 199, Brighton. Alright, good luck. We got flashback. Wojek. Chesney. Arsenal. Adrian. Angelo Ogbonna. To 199. 175 of 199. To 99. Yeri Mina. Timo Pukki. 78 of 99. Pukki. Dale Stevens. To 149, Davinson Sanchez. To 149, Tom Davies. More Brighton. I have a gajillion of these by now for Jasper. Logo cards. All right. How about Burnley? Well, Ashley Barnes. Two of 8, Ashley Barnes. Last one here. Go this way. Everton. How about Theo Walcott? Used to be one in every 6 boxes. It's been a while, but he's back. Theo Walcott. All right, the last one is a 10, or only 10 box. Hopefully, it's a good one. Sorry, guys, this 6 boxes kind of sucked compared to the last one, especially the last 6 boxes were insanely sick. All right, here we go. Good luck, good luck, good luck. To 99, Papastopoulos. 58 of 99, Papastopoulos. Fireworks to 149, Morgan. Nice little one there. To 199, Solanke. All right. How about Bramall Lane for Sheffield? I hope that doesn't mean we're not going to get at gold or power gold or black. Vronchik to 99. There's that. There's that. There's this. All right. Come on, one more upside down. I think that's going to do it because we got the Jed Steer to 75. We got the stadium card, Zimmerman. So that's our extra hit, the stadium card. Boo. These 6 boxes were boo, I say. Who knows? Maybe we'll hit a sick auto to end it. Good night. I'm almost done. Jed Steer. That one there. Alright, let's see what we got here. Chelsea. Well, Kovacic. Kovacic for Chelsea. And then our last autograph is going to be Team. Oh, wow, rigged. Crystal Palace. Wayne Hennessy, Shimmer. Shimmer autograph. Alright, I'm going to go through this really quick. And we're going to call it a night, guys. That's going to do it for me today. Pretty tired, and I need to get some sleep. I slept last night around 6 and had to get up at 9:30, so I only got about 3.5 hours of sleep last night. Make sure I can ship your guys' cards out. Kovacic, he's alright. I don't have anything against him. Not a big fan, but I like my boy Pulisic. If Lampard would let him play every now and then, would be nice. Bramall Lane, Brighton, West Ham, Carroll Road, to 99, El Ghazi, Patricio, Vranchek, Papastopoulos, Oxlade-Chamberlain, Anholt, March, Mina, and Pookie. To 75, Jed Steer. To 25, Dendonker and Smalling. Alright. Autograph Walcott. Autograph Chesney. Hennessy. Eric Dyer. Rion Brewster. And Kyle Walcott. And then the number 2/8 cards, we had Ashley Barnes, Ryan Frazier, Jan Vertonghen, Connor Wickham, Mateo Kovacic. He is from Austria. Wow, I didn't know he was from Austria, Kovacic. And then we've got Gylfi Sigurdsson. I can't believe from Austria. Lintz. Alright, that does it for number 12, guys. Number 13 and 14 are posted in the store. Anyway, sorry, guys. That 6 boxes kind of sucked. The first 6 boxes was insane. That just goes to show you. It was all in one box. These 12 boxes came together. The first 6 boxes were insanely good. The last 6 boxes sucked. So, you just never know. Yeah, Pulisic is not Lampard's boy, unfortunately.